as you can see on the screen, FTP and GLO GANG, or GBE, Glory Boys Entertainment of Chief Keef, will be dropping this Saturday, December 12th at 12 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. You can calculate what that will be for you, and it will, of course, be on the FTP website when it does drop. So, Zach and FTP posted these photos earlier today on their account, but I'm looking at the FTP leaks account. Dude posts like all the leaks, and it's really useful to just kind of review his most recent posts. But with that being said, they've made these two posts. They posted this lookbook photo, I suppose, and then they also had this lookbook photo, both featuring Chief Keef. We have two different designs shown off here. One with the Glory Boys spell out, and I think this other one was a GLO GANG spell out. We got this like Chief Keef smiley face that they do for a lot of their logos. I think it's supposed to be a sun, and then it's got like the crown of thorns going on while he's sipping out of a double cup lean. We have some sleeve text going on here. You can see on the bottom they have a different rehash of that sun logo, just different colors. Got Glory Boys on the sleeve, 300 FTP, GLO GANG, just a bunch of repeated designs. And I don't know if I'm crazy about the sleeve. The Glory Boys with the FTP fill is kind of cool, but moving back to this one, I think this is probably my favorite logo that they've shown off so far. And I will say that Zach has been teasing these designs for this collaboration for probably like the last month and a half. So we've been known about them for a solid amount of time, but now we're actually getting the drop. So it's kind of cool. And that being said, I think it will be definitely on the smaller side. Bots already ate him up, this dude's saying, but I think this will definitely be on the smaller side, as we've seen, I think, most of the stickers that they have for this drop, and a lot of them are already graphics that are shown off on the tees, so we'll move on to those. Another thing we could see, just because they have what looks like all of the boards already produced, are these skate decks, which were shown off today on Zach's story, I believe, was where it was posted, but we have all these just black vertical FTP logo skate decks, so I don't know, maybe we'll see that. Once again, we got some stickers like I was mentioning, just the same graphic that's on that long sleeve, and I think this one's alright. You know, obviously like a play on the American flag, you got the red and white stripes, and then the blue instead of stars you got the FTP all over print. I think it looks pretty cool, but I don't know, probably just a pass for me. But moving on, we have these stickers. Obviously, you know, more stuff we've seen already. Got the GLO GANG sticker, which was just placed below this kind of like sun logo on that t-shirt. And then this is the first kind of new logo that we have, this Glory Boys FTP integrated hollow Glory Boys fill one, if you want to be like super specific about it. So I have a feeling we'll probably see this on some tees as well. Since we got a white and a black version of the sticker, I don't know, probably just see it on a black tee and then a white tee with the respective graphics on those tees. So I'd also expect that stuff to be dropping. And we also had this leaked, just looks like behind the scenes for the lookbook. And then we got a leak of some of the tees that are dropping. These two look like the ones we already saw. As far as, you know, the Chief Keef lookbook goes, you know, the sun right there, obviously that tee, and then the Glory Boys, the long sleeve. I'm guessing the long sleeve. Maybe there'll be a short sleeve version as well. And then, like I was talking about, we do get a white tee, and we see a black one over here. Probably going to be that. And then there is this hidden one right here. So I'm not exactly sure what the hidden one's going to be. Maybe they have a graphic that they haven't shown off. And then if you guys are kind of wondering about the leaks that I was talking about, you know, all the way back 3 weeks ago, November 12th, we got this posted. So close up at the Glory Boys. And even before that, I want to say I thought we saw something. Maybe not, though. Or I guess maybe the leaks dude missed it. I thought, we got... That's, yeah, GLO Sun character, I guess. I'm not too familiar with, I guess maybe they've had some GLO GANG stuff in the past. Not a collab, though. All right. Similar with the upcoming GLO GANG Sun character we got right here. And that's pretty much it. I just wanted to show you guys what's potentially dropping. I think we covered pretty much all the stuff that we're gonna see, maybe a couple surprises, but that covers the majority of it. As always, thank you for watching, and I will catch you in the next video.